Do you want to apply to university, but are you worried about how you're going to stand out from the crowd in your application? My name is Lucy Parsons, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use further reading to stand out from the crowd when you apply to university. So, if you're watching, you almost certainly want to go to university. For many ambitious young people, university is the next step on the road to achieving their hopes and dreams. But there is a lot of confusion and a lack of understanding about how to stand out from the crowd when you apply. If you do this one thing, it will majorly boost your chances of a place at your chosen university. So what is it? It's reading around your subject. Why do you need to read around your subject? Well, put yourself in the shoes of your tutor or the admissions tutor. How can you make their job easier, their job of deciding who to give a place to and who not to give a place to? The answer is to make yourself stand out from the crowd. But how do you do that? Reading is absolutely key. If you're willing to put time and effort into selecting relevant books, reading them and thinking about them before you get to university, the university can make a fairly certain bet that you're going to be an engaged and interested student. So how do you read around a subject? Firstly, you have to know what that subject entails. Once you know this, you can choose an area of the subject that you find most interesting and start searching for books on that subject. You can read relevant news articles, journals or magazines. You could even set up Google alerts. Just read, and think about what you read. But don't just restrict your reading to your chosen subject. It'll get too narrow and boring. So why not set yourself a summer reading challenge? Read relevant books connecting with the subject you want to study at university over the summer holidays, or join my summer reading challenge to get a broader experience of reading classics and good quality literature. Find out more about the summer reading challenge and reading around your subject for university on my blog at lifemoreextraordinary.com/reading. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up on YouTube and subscribe, or if you're watching on Facebook, follow my page on Facebook, which is called Life More Extraordinary. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video helps you to get ahead and stand out from the crowd in your university applications.